Let's clean the dataset. Let's clean the dataset. Use this when starting the data cleaning process. I found some missing values. Use this when identifying incomplete data. We need to remove duplicate records. Use this when cleaning duplicate entries from a dataset. Let's verify the data accuracy. Use this before using data for analysis. The data looks complete now. Use this after finishing data cleaning. We need to correct these errors. Use this when fixing incorrect data. Some records are incomplete. Use this when reviewing missing information. Let's standardize the data format. Use this when making data consistent across the dataset. The values have been updated. Use this after correcting or refreshing data. I'll validate the final dataset. Use this before sharing or analyzing the data. The data source has been refreshed. Use this after updating data from the source system. We need to check for inconsistencies. Use this when reviewing data quality issues. The records match the source data. Use this when confirming data accuracy. Let's review the imported data. Use this after importing data into Excel or Power BI. The dataset is ready for analysis. Use this when data preparation is complete. We identified several data quality issues. Use this when reporting problems in the dataset. I'll fix the formatting errors. Use this when correcting dates, numbers, or text formats. The data has been successfully transformed. Use this after completing data transformation. Let's review the final output. Use this before presenting or publishing the results. The information is now consistent. Use this after standardizing the data. This dataset is reliable. Use this when you're confident in the data quality. We can begin the analysis now. Use this when data preparation is finished. Thank you for reviewing the dataset. Use this after a colleague checks your data. The report is based on clean data. Use this when explaining the reliability of your report. Great work on improving the data quality. Use this when appreciating your team's effort in data preparation.